If you're looking for a holiday gift for your dad or your boyfriend or your husband, you can't go wrong with getting them a folding workbench. If they're a handy DIY sort of person, then they're going to be able to take it wherever they need to around the house and get set up to do their work. If they're not handy, they're still going to need one every now and then, and the folding workbenches are great because they can just go into a closet or against the wall out of the way. Now, I just bought one 2 days ago at Home Depot. It's a DeWalt. I'll show it to you. During the holiday season or Father's Day, these things go on sale, so it's a good time to buy it. Here's the one I've got. This is a DeWalt brand. Two great things about it are easy to set up and super sturdy. I'll show you now. So that's all it takes to set it up. And it takes 150 pounds very easily, so it's going to be good for any work that you do. If you like this video, hit the like button. I'll put an affiliate link for where you can get this, and good luck with your holiday shopping.